तो ये है हमारा लिविंग रूम एरिया। तो चलिए अब हम चेकआउट करते हैं हमारा स्पेशियस किचन। This is a spacious and luxurious master bedroom, which is the third bedroom of this flat. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. In today's video, we will be doing a sample flat tour of the spacious 3 BHK of Sankalp Ravet, which is located near SB Patil Road, Mukai Chowk, Ravet, Pune. This project has been developed by Sankalp Groups. But before I show you a sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform where it has connected home buyers directly with the developers, giving you all a bottom rate guarantee. Housey, unlike other property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, connects you directly with the builders and gives you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project overview, the Sankalp Ravet will be constructed on 1.25 acres of land having one high-rise tower. This tower will be consisting of 2 basements plus ground parking plus 24 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now, let's discuss about the surroundings and the location of the project. As you can see, I'm at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project and मेरे right hand side पे है इस project का land parcel. Now, coming to the project's actual location of Sankalp Ravet, it is located near SB Patil Road, Mukai Chowk, Ravet, Pune. और ये जो सामने रोड है, ये आपको directly connect करती है SB Patil Road से. Now, the connectivities near the project is D-Mart, which is located within 2.4 kilometers, Akudi railway station, which is located within 2.8 kilometers, and Pune-Mumbai Express Highway, which is located near 3.4 kilometers. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के amenities के बारे में. Sankalp Ravet has over 30 plus luxurious amenities such as meditation zone, kids play area, co-working space, gymnasium, सीनियर सिटीजन सिट आउट एरिया एंड मेनी मोर. तो चलिए अब हम देखते हैं हमारा सैम्पल फ्लैट. सो एज यू कैन सी, आई एम स्टैंडिंग एट द एंट्रेंस ऑफ अ स्पेशियस 3 BHK सैम्पल फ्लैट विच इज 1091 स्क्वायर फीट कार्पेट एरिया. सो दिस इज योर एंट्रेंस, जहाँ पे आपको डोर पे मिल जाता है डिजिटल डोर लॉक फॉर सिक्योरिटी पर्पसेस. ये आपके एंट्रेंस की लॉबी, जहाँ पे आप अपने डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स या शू रैक प्लेस कर सकते हैं. Now, before I show you our living and dining room, let me tell you about the first bedroom of this flat, which is located at the entrance as it is based on a butterfly concept. तो ये है हमारा first bedroom, which is the guest bedroom. Here is our bed setup space and this is the walking space. You also get an attached balcony with it, which has anti-skid tiles, Stefan glass railings and 3-side cover. वहाँ पे है हमारा अटैच गेस्ट वॉशरूम which has anti-skid tiles, CP centered fitting and designer vitrified tiles. और यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाता है अपना वार्डरोब स्पेस. तो चलिए अब हम देखते हैं हमारा लिविंग रूम और डाइनिंग रूम. तो ये है हमारा लिविंग रूम एरिया. Here you get your couch setup space and an attached balcony with it. Which has anti-skid tiles, Stefan glass railings and a 3-side cover. और यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाता है अपना TV setup unit. Now let's check out our dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. तो चलिए अब हम चेकआउट करते हैं हमारा स्पेशियस किचन विच हैज़ एन एल शेप ग्रेनाइट प्लेटफॉर्म एंड अ ड्राई बालकनी अटैच टू इट, जहाँ पे आप अपनी वॉशिंग मशीन यूटिलिटी सेटअप कर सकते हैं एंड ऑल्सो एन अटैच विंडो टू इट वेयर यू कैन गेट योर वेंटिलेशन एंड नेचुरल सनलाइट फ्रॉम. दिस इज अ रेफ्रिजरेटर एरिया वेयर यू कैन सेट अप योर फ्रिज. नाउ लेट्स चेक आउट द सेकेंड बेडरूम ऑफ दिस फ्लैट. But before we check out the second bedroom of this flat, here you get a common wash basin and a common washroom. which has anti-skid tiles, a CP-centered fitting and designer vitrified tiles. तो ये है हमारा second bedroom, which is the kids bedroom. Here you get your bed space and this is the walking area and attached windows to it, which gives you ventilation and natural light. And here you can see your wardrobe space. Now, before I show you the third bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with actual location tour, sample flat videos, payment schemes, EMI schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All this under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and visit your site today. Now, let's check out the third bedroom of this flat. So, this is a spacious and luxurious master bedroom, which is the third bedroom of this flat. Here, you get your bed space and it has an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, step-on glass railings and a two-side cover. You get your wardrobe space, which has spacious walking space, and this is the attached master washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So, this was your sample flat tour of the spacious 3 BHK of Sankalp Ravet, which is located near SB Patil Road, Mukai Chowk, Ravet, Pune, developed by Sankalp Groups. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe Housey's YouTube channel and please do visit www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.